first bang, I thought the cat knocked over something in the kitchen.
I thought it was somebody at the door. A thud at the door.
Yeah.
That's what I thought. Are you the owner of that big? No.
Got the first floor on this side.
I even saw this house on fire here too. This one was on fire one time too. They pulled out that guy who was all burnt.
Across the street from
This house right here.
This house just boarded up there?
Couple weeks and
Years ago?
yeah, not even 2 weeks later, then the garage burns down too.
Oh, yeah.
one across the street got burned.
This one here.
Across the street burned down too, didn't it?
No, they pulled it down.
I thought this last one was caught fire or something.
Still fire under there.
Thuds away to you? You hear the bangs?
Not me, I was in the basement. Was that foam too, eh? There's still fire under the car.
Might be the gas tank burning.
Foam, foam, foam.
Foam party.
Fireman sperm. Still fire.